Good morning.
Morning.
Where are we going? We're going to Sunway.
We're going to Sunway.
What are we going to do there? Swing.
But there are others wanting to see and we're going to get wet.
But first we need to go to the park. There's a park there. Okay?
Huh?
Yeah, we go to the park.
No.
Mas gusto
I
niya
want to
swimming.
go to the park anymore. You ready to
Ayan. Yes. Pagpasok ko tayo yung makikita nyo.
very fun.
Naantay na lang namin sila siya. And CJ, how about that? Look up. Look up. Ayan na si birthday boy.
But can you come with me?
Jairus!
Sino ba yan ba?
Si Tita mag-isa. Ayun na. Pawawala si Tita. Ayan, second ride. Kasama ko si Kuya Matt. Hi, Kuya Matt. Sando sila sa likod. Ayan.
I got pilot boat.
Yes, pirate boat. You wear your sunglasses. Oh, come on. Ayun. Malaysian flash. No camera flash.
Oh, is it because they won't see?
Oh, there's a bear.
Yeah.
Nothing's scary after lion.
Yeah, they're inside the cage. Yeah, they don't have a baby.
He's gone.
A white lion. Okay.
He's gone, the baby's gone.
Okay.
Yes, baby. Ayun, dito ang masasabi kong sulit. So, if ever na may pupunta sa inyo, meron, kasi may malaking discount pag yung card na ginamit namin, yung membership ng isang grocery dito. So, let me know pag pupunta kayo dito para at least laki ng tipid. As in, dapat yung pabayaran namin 540. Ang binayaran na lang namin is 330. So, super laking discount. Ayan.
JJ is so big. And he's too young.
Yeah. Oh. CJ, oh, you want to touch the snake?
Okay, I'll try.
Oh.
No.
Kuya, you want to try? Oh.
Malamig. Masyadong malamig. Oh.
This is the top 5.
You want to touch, Kuya?
Oh my God.
Dito kami sa Mary Brown. Order lang kami ng food. Ba naman itong skirt ko lumilipad? Itong isang ito naninilipin public. Oh, ano ba to? Starbucks dito sa
Like,
loob.
he was, remember he fall because of the block? Like,
Yeah.
but he was a wall.
Nag-slide rin siya. PJ! Go up the slide, please! Sayang hindi ako na-video ni Daddy. Nag-slide ako. Kasi binabantayan niya si CJ. Pumasok na mag-isa. I got you! Wait, cool. Ito na yung mall eh. Ito na yung Sunway Mall. Ayaw mamansin. Yan, nanonood kami ng 5D. Ha?
Kami ni Maribel.
Ganun sana kalaki yung slide. Kaso sira nga. Ayun o, kita nyo. Yan, mamaya try namin pumila ulit. Ayan. Kuya Matt, are you having fun?
Yeah, that was scary.
Ayun, sulit nga dito as in. Lahat ng rides, halos lahat libre. Ano pa doon na ate presyo? Meron pa doon? Doon na sila, may sand kasi dito. Hi! Hi! Ayan, may hanging bridge pa sila. Sulit na dito na pre. There's Daddy. Ayan, may paintball pa dito, libre rin. May parang zipline. Kasama na rin siya.
Yung bancho.
Ha?
138.
Ayan, may bayad.
138. Isang talon.
Ayun, paakit doon sa bridge. Grabe naman! Tinan mo doon sa bridge, wala talagang elevator.
I love bungee jumping.
Wala kami mga sine. Ayan, yung ATV libre daw. Oo.
Si Charlie, pang lalaki.
Ay,
Baka gusto niya ATV para hindi masayang kanyang entrance.
tas, pero ito, go-kart may bayad. Ayan, pumila. Marunong ka ba talaga? Sabi ko para kami nag-aalay lakad. Hindi kasi namin dinala yung tsinelas namin. As in, ang sakit na ng paa ko. Ayan, punta kami dito sa bagong bukas ng Nickelodeon theme park nila. Pagod na isa. Ayan, nandito kami sa Nickelodeon Lagoon. Ayan. Pumasok na sila figure. Medyo parang luma na siya. Ayan, dun kami galing kanina, di ba? Malaki-laki din talaga siya. Sulit talaga dito. Tapos meron pa pala ng ganito dito. Dito na ulit kami sa sand. So, ayan. Pauwi na rin kami kasi hanggang 6 lang daw to. Panting sila. Bagsak na to. Wala na. Unang bumagsak. Wala nang tao. Jairus, did you have fun? Did you have fun?
Yes! Yuhuu!
Ha? Rainbow. Dito kami sa harap ng hotel nila. Say good night.
Not.
Say thanks for watching.
I won't watch it.
Yeah. Flying kiss.